Hi, this is Cosmin, and I welcome you to the how-to section of LIVRESQ. Today, we'll be talking about how to use bookmarks and how to create a table of contents. So, let me share my screen with you. Share. So, basically, it's a double how-to because it's one how-to is linked with the other in a profound manner. So, we go to the default page of LIVRESQ. We start a new project. In this new project, you have a default section as always. You click on this section. And here you see a default row having this little star on its top right. This is a bookmark, and you can see it in the bookmarks panel in the right. You see this bookmark. Let's name it bookmark 1 start. Okay, let's add a few items. Let's put a cell with 2 rows, another cell with 2 rows. Let's put one picture here. Let's put another text here. I don't know. One text here, one quiz here. Okay. To add another bookmark, you just select an item, random, or whatever item you want. I'll choose this cell and I put a bookmark by selecting this from the top actions, like put a bookmark. Put a bookmark, I get this blue star. I only see this star at design time, so when I publish it's not there. And also I see this bookmark in the bookmarks panel on the right. So I get this bookmark. It's highlighted, the first one. I go to the other one, it's again highlighted. So let's name it bookmark 2 and bookmarks are important because you can use them to navigate in your section or to navigate between sections and also to create a table of contents with them. I'll show you how to navigate with bookmarks, then I'll show you how to create a table of contents. So to navigate with bookmarks, you just select an item. Let's select this item here, and go to the properties panel on the right. Select action. So I want to do something. I select action. I have launch resource, follow bookmark, follow link. So launch resource, it pops a resource in a pop-up window. Follow link, it gets me to a web address, and follow bookmark, it's what I need now. So follow bookmark. I choose from the available bookmarks. Let's go to bookmark to end. Okay, I see this button here. Let's see how it works. Click view mode. I click on this one, and you see it got me to my second bookmark. I can use whatever number of bookmarks in my project, and from the bookmarks panel on the right, I can see where are those bookmarks. So you see these highlights. Also, I can delete them if I want, but not the case here. So, and with bookmarks, I create table of contents or menu. So once you click on view mode, you see you have this hamburger menu called on the left. When you click on it, you already see bookmark 1 start and bookmark 2 end. Those are by default here. But if you go at the project level, you have to actually use them. So in the table of contents. So you go into the table of contents, you click on them, and you get them in your table of contents of your project. Click view mode. I have them here. Click. So remember, when you work with a section, you have your bookmarks in that section, but you can use them at the level of project. So the project, the menu of the project from the menu you can navigate wherever in your sections of your project. So basically, this was it. Okay, let me stop this. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll be waiting you at the next how-to section of LIVRESQ. Thank you.